Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Fiverr. So let's get started right away. If you have not logged out from your account on any device on your Fiverr account, then first of all open up the web browser within which you have not logged out from your account. Once you open it up, simply type in fiverr.com in the address bar and then press enter. You will now be taken into the Fiverr website where you will automatically be logged into your account. Now, if you wish to log out, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then you will see the logout option right away. Click on logout and you will be logged out from your account immediately. If you wish to log back in, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then continue using your Google, Facebook, your Apple account or your email address and your password, and you will be logged back into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.